Hey guys, in today's lesson we're going to talk about properties of logarithms, which is found in section 3.3 part 2. Our objectives are to use properties of logarithms to expand or condense the logarithmic expressions and to use logarithmic functions to model and solve real-life problems. So in example 5, what we're going to do is we're going to expand log base 10 of 5x cubed y. So the first thing we need to understand is that log base 10 applies to this entire portion here, and I just moved the whole thing. Sorry, it applies to this entire portion, okay? So first what we need to understand is that 5x cubed and y are all technically connected because of multiplication. And we know that when we are trying to expand, multiplication really means for us addition. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to separate by addition. So this is log base 10 of 5 plus log base 10 of x cubed plus log base 10 of y. Okay, all of them are pretty much simplified except for this power here. Remember, if you have a power, you need to move it to the front. And so as a final answer, we'll have log base 10 of 5 plus 3 log base 10 of x plus log base 10 of y. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next problem. So in example 3, again, this natural log, like I mentioned, it goes to the entire problem. And what I see is a problem, first of all, that has a square root. So let's get rid of that square root because we don't have anything so far that deals with square roots. So we're going to rewrite it as a natural log of 3x minus 5 to the, remember the square root is really to the 1/2 power, and it's still being divided by 7. Okay, now I can deal with that. So what I have is a power and I have division. So the first thing I'm going to take care of is the division. Division, when we are expanding, really means subtraction. So that will give us the natural log of 3x minus 5 to the 1/2 power minus the natural log of 7. Now the second one is already done. 1/2 will then just be moved to the front. So it gives me 1/2 times the natural log of 3x minus 5 minus the natural log of 7. And we are done with that problem. Let's take a look at our next problem. So this time, instead of expanding, we are condensing, so we're putting it back together. So the first thing that you have to do in order to be able to condense it is that you have to make sure that they have the same base. So if I look at these problems, they both have a base of 10, so that works. So 1/2 log base 10 of x plus 3 log base 10 of x plus 1. So first of all, these numbers that appear before the logs are powers. So they just need to be moved back to their correct spots. So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 10. Okay, my pen is not working. Log base 10 of x to the 1/2. Okay, what just happened? Let me erase this, sorry. So like I said, this is log base 10 of x to the 1/2 plus log base 10 of x plus 1 cubed. Okay. Now that we've gotten that taken care of, let's go ahead and also deal with the fact that this power says 1/2. Since it is 1/2, we know that really means square root. So let's go ahead and take care of that. That's log base 10 of the square root of x plus log base 10 of x plus 1 cubed. And the final thing that we're going to take care of is this addition sign. Remember, addition, when we are condensing, means multiplication. So our final answer will be log base 10 of the square root of x times x plus 1 cubed. In other words, all I did was take these two pieces and put them together. So this is our final answer. Let's look at our last problem. Okay, so again, we need to condense, and this is natural log. So what I see is, again, a number in front of a natural log. So this is a power, so I need to attach it to what I have. So this is really the natural log of x plus 2 squared minus the natural log of x. Okay, After that, the subtraction really means division. So the natural log of x plus 2 squared over x. And we are done. All right, guys, if you have any questions over this section, please be sure to come see me for tutoring.